Hello. Today we are representing our project, which is radar system. Our system is consist of from two main components. The first component is HCSR04 measurement sensor, distance measurement sensor, and in the box we have ESP32 microcontroller card. Firstly, we measured the distance with tape, as you can see here. The distance is from the sensor to the object is approximately 81 centimeters. Yeah, 81 centimeters, and we saw here 82 centimeters as a distance. It goes around about 70 and 80 centimeters. This is normal because there is some errors, of course, and we manage this problem with filters such as Kalman filter or other filter types with code. We didn't make any filter which is contained in the external circuit. So the measurement is here. Okay, we have the object here, so we will see the result. It turns circularly, and the picture seems like correct. It's measuring with high accuracy. This distance is more bigger than the previous one, so yes, as you can see here, the distance is here. You can turn with the sensor, so we will see a circle shaped picture. Increment the distance maybe more farther. Yes. And we can understand from here the system is working with high accuracy and with true logic side. The project is that. Thank you for listening.